Hi, my name is Frank Ledbetter, and I'm a bankruptcy attorney, or if you prefer, a bankruptcy lawyer. And I have two reasons why it's worth the short drive from Farmington, Missouri to my office in St. Louis County. It's no secret that unfortunate events happen to good people, and mini debt elimination and other debt solutions just aren't viable. I have over 2,000 cases worth of experience that I put to work every day to make sure my clients get the best help as fast as possible without overpaying. First of all, if you're considering the idea of filing for bankruptcy, then you might want to know your options related to Chapter 7 bankruptcy, Chapter 13 bankruptcy, and any other viable debt relief options that exist. And here's something else to consider. We realize that rumors and hurtful gossip travel quickly in small communities like Farmington, Missouri. Making the short trip to my office instead of trying to find a bankruptcy lawyer in Farmington is just one less distraction, worry, and concern for our clients who live there. Second, I'm a Washington University Law School graduate, and I work almost exclusively in this niche, and I have for a very long time. This means I can accomplish more work on your behalf in less time than lawyers who try to be all things to all people, and that can translate into more savings and more desirable outcomes for you. I have a special report you can get for free called Why Bankruptcy Laws Are Your Friend, Legal Lessons You Don't Want to Learn the Hard Way. Just visit www.stlouisbankruptcyattorneyhelp.com to get your own copy sent to you right away. Or if you prefer to talk to someone first, our initial consultation is free. Just call us at 314-535-7780.